Hey guys, this is your favorite channel, and today you will see a lot of garden decor ideas that is made of junk or trash you usually throw away. So it's time to upcycle few things to beautify your garden. Let's start. DIY garden decoration can save you some money and earn you a lot of compliments when starting a garden. Here are some cool ways to make the garden of your dreams. Let us view some easy and simple DIY garden decoration ideas. You can let your creativity flow by using things you considered trash and amp up this space instantly. One of the most exciting things about gardening is decorating it. You can go all out with your creativity and completely change the way your garden appears by making small and inexpensive tweaks. These tweaks are known as do it yourself hacks and are fun ways to repurpose old and trash items in your home. Number 1. Use your old ladder as a shelf for planters. With DIY designs, you can experiment with almost anything and everything. Use your old ladder as a shelf to keep your planters in the garden. Coloring it will keep away termites. Number 2. Make a DIY of old tire to plant your shrubs. A garden self-personalized is a garden you will cherish forever. So instead of adding expensive planters, do it yourself with old tires. Plant your shrubs on the old tires after giving them a makeover. Number 3. Cattles as your planters for your balcony garden. Having a balcony garden is a desire everyone has, and if you already have one, fill it with all fun elements. A cattle planter vibrantly painted can be a good zero waste look like your balcony garden. Number 4. Fill your garden wall with DIY plastic bottles planters. Not necessary you have to buy planters to plant seeds. DIY with PET bottles into planters having beautiful colors. Plants do grow well in them. Besides, when you hang these bottles horizontally throughout the wall, it looks subtle. Number 5. Proclaim cup DIY garden decoration. Cactus undoubtedly add more value to the garden, undoubtedly, but to enhance the beauty to another level, use Proclaim cups and cactus to plant them in. They will look more beautiful. Number 6. Draw on your garden stones. When you're an artist or have artistic perceptions, decorating home is easy. Bring out your artistic skills, this time on your home stone. For example, a fox sleeping. In a world where we're just looking for a little something to brighten our days, these rocks are perfect. Of course, you can also keep the rocks for yourself and give them as gift. Decorative rocks are perfect for displaying on shelves in your garden or as vase filler. You might think someone with a very steady hand painted these decorative rocks, but no, they are designed with stencils. Stencils are going to be your friend for this project. Number 7. Old bicycle planters. Do you have an old bike in your attic you just cannot part with? Try filling the front basket with flowers for an unusual bicycle planter. And this is just a simple idea for a DIY yard art for a garden. Number 8. Dark planters. Illuminated planters add some light to your yard would add such amazing ambience. Number 9. Old furniture. Most of us have old furniture that we just cannot part with. Well, now you don't have to. Fill up the old drawer with pretty plants and flowers and stick it outside. What a way to make a statement. Number 10. Used metal pot. Make simple mushroom yard art out of old mixing bowls. Spray paint them colors, add some dots and attach to tree branches. Number 11. Old hubcap. A DIY hubcap flower garden can brighten up any yard. You can paint them and hang over your wall, and it can be made to use as flowers and wall hanging as well. So this is all about today's video and hope so you like it. Subscribe us for more ideas and thank you.